Introducing the new Sunvan app. Start by downloading the app from your App Store or Google Play. You will now see the Sunvan icon on your home screen. To use the app, you will need your client ID. If you do not know your client ID, you can call the Sunvan reservationist to get that information. This is your home screen showing your upcoming scheduled trips. You can load the next month's trips by clicking the blue button. You can also click the yellow plus sign to schedule a trip. Let's book a trip. We will need a pickup address, a unit number if you have it, and a telephone number. You can also search addresses. Your most common used addresses will be saved as favorites, like your home address. Now we will need to put in our drop-off address. Again, you can search it or just enter in all the details. Here you will select the date and time you would like to schedule your trip. Now you will select additional options. Let Sunvan know if you have a cane, walker, or wheelchair. You will also have the option to add a passenger to your trip. Now your trip has been booked. When your trip is approaching, a banner will appear across the top showing arrival time. Click the trip details to see live tracking of your vehicle, as well as driver badge number and vehicle number. If you have any questions or need help getting started, just call Sunvan Reservations at 520-798-1000.